A federal tax ID number is issued by the IRS to business entities. A federal tax ID number is also known as an EIN, or Employer Identification Number. For simplicity, we will refer to it as the EIN. An EIN is to a business what a Social Security number is to an individual. It basically identifies your business to the IRS. Even though it's called an Employer Identification Number, it doesn't mean that you have to have employees. EINs are used for opening business bank accounts, filing taxes, handling payroll if applicable, obtaining business lines of credit or business loans, obtaining credit cards in the name of the LLC, and applying for some business licenses. You must wait until your LLC is approved by the state before obtaining your EIN. You do not want to have any issues with an EIN assigned to the wrong LLC. Dealing with the IRS to cancel an EIN is a pain in the neck. An EIN is similar to a Social Security number in that it has 9 digits. To differentiate an EIN from an SSN, there are 2 digits followed by a hyphen and then 7 more digits. For example, 68-330-2819. So how much does an EIN cost? An EIN is free. No, really, they're completely free. You can obtain an EIN from the IRS. Unfortunately, many websites charge $50 to $100 for this. So how can you obtain your EIN? They can be obtained in 3 ways: by mail, by fax, or via the IRS's online questionnaire. By fax takes 4 days. It's too long. An EIN by mail can take up to 4 weeks. Way too long. But the EIN by online application takes 15 minutes. Your EIN will be issued immediately after you answer all of the questions in the online application. You'll then be able to save and print your new EIN as well as your confirmation letter. Make sure to save copies of these and keep them with your LLC documents. You will need to have the members' SSNs or ITINs ready before you begin the online application. If you're a U.S. citizen, you'll use your SSN, Social Security number. If you're a foreign national, you'll use your ITIN, Individual Taxpayer Identification Number. If you're a foreign national and you do not yet have your ITIN, you will first need to apply for one before getting your EIN. If you need to apply for your ITIN, please contact the IRS. So how do you get the online application? Well, you have a few options. You can pay a website to get your EIN, although it's actually free, so why would you do that? You can go directly to the irs.gov website and fill it out yourself, or you can watch a step-by-step video and learn how to navigate the irs.gov questionnaire correctly. The link to the online application is available on our website. Remember, do not fill out your EIN application until your LLC has been approved. Do you happen to already have an EIN for your business? If you already have an EIN, it's most likely attached to a sole proprietorship. This is quite common. In this case, you'll need to close out that EIN and get a different one for your newly formed LLC. You can find detailed instructions on our website, as well as a template letter that you can download and then send to the IRS.